Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome to Chaotic Christmas 2025, where anything can happen, and usually it does. So let's see how this video is going to go. And this is going to be one of those either you're going to love it or you're going to hate it for episode 2 of Chaosmas unboxing. So if you're curious, come on back. Hi, Bean Beauties. Welcome back. Welcome back. How are you doing? Today, I am recording some intros and outros for videos that I have already recorded for my series of which is now we are dubbing it Chaotic Christmas because this whole series has just been chaotic. Yes. Each episode will be different. We will either have a coach miss or a duck miss or a miscellaneous miss. We won't know what we're unboxing sometimes until we get there. So you're gonna might have me saying, "Oh, it might be this," and it's really not that. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Several of the videos I recorded in November, the unboxing, I was not expected to be available for December. I was supposed to have a surgery that now has been put off for a few months. So I was trying to frantically get at least the unboxings done, and I was going to film the intros and outros while I was recovering in bed. But I don't have to do that now. It's now if it happens at all, it won't happen till end of February, March. So that is why you're going to see the juxtaposition is going to be very different for some videos. But that is why it is called Chaotic Christmas 2025. If you're used to that and that is your real life, then I know that you found a place here and have found a place here. Please consider subscribing, liking, hyping, and definitely setting that notification bell because I don't know what time of day I will be able to upload each video. I don't know what the video is. I don't know. She knows nothing, Jon Snow, nothing. All right, let's start with this little brooch. This is the brooch of the day, the Christmas brooch of the day. So he is resin, but he is kind of an old-fashioned type of Santa. And I thought it would be perfect and paired perfect with the bag that we are unboxing today. Because today's K no see, I don't even know what today's miscellaneous mess unboxing is a brand either that you'll love or you'll hate. It's Michael Kors. However, I'll tell you, one, I showed this bag to a YouTube friend of mine. She was like, "Oh, that's cool. That's very nice. Is it a Coach?" And I said, "No, it's Michael Kors." Then she went from "oh" to "oh." I'm like, "Wait a minute. 2 minutes ago you just liked it when I showed it to you. You can't change your mind now because it's a Michael Kors." No, we can't do that. So it's a bag I picked up from Caleb Snell during one of his vlog sales for his resale business. So let me know how you like the bag. Let me know how you feel about Michael Kors. Here in our daily life, it is one of those brands that we see all the time. We see all the time here, and I like especially the older bags. Very very well done. This particular bag, shows it's been loved, but it's a beautiful beautiful bag in my opinion. So you let me know at the end how it is. Alrighty, we'll see you after this unboxing. Welcome back, Bean Beauties. Okay, I know that y'all, at this point, I don't know if maybe not, y'all know what kind of bag this is. I think this is going to be part of the miscellaneous muss. Miscellaneous muss, I think is what I'm going to call these. This also was purchased from Caleb Snell. He sent me a beautiful card, and I'll go ahead and read it again in case you haven't seen the other video or in case you forgot. He says, "Dear Dee Dee, thank you for your orders. I hope you love your new bags," because I bought 2 of them from him. One was you'll see in Coachmas, and this one you're seeing in Miscellaneous Miss. The Coach bag is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. He says, "I look forward to watching the unboxing. I just hope it's before 2027 with smiley face." He's such a kidder, but he's a true kidder. It's only a good joke if it is a factual joke, and this is. It says, thank you, Caleb Snell. So he personalizes his cards, and he sends a card to everybody. So it's not just me. Everybody gets a card. And in the other unboxing, you'll see how great he packages his items. So he puts everything in a dust bag. So like this, I got two purchases. He sent them in one shipping because the box is plenty big for the two bags, but each bag got its own dust bag. So that was very nice and thoughtful of him. Okay, so here's a miscellaneous bag. Ta-da! Isn't she cute? She's a cute bag. I had been seeing her for a while. It was on the website since his very first drop. Nobody really much like it. It is a Michael Kors bag. I know there's a lot of people out there that are hating on Michael Kors. I don't, and especially the older Michael Kors. So right here, this bag is a little rough. You know, he's told us a little rough, and the price reflected how rough it was. But it is clean. He made sure that it is clean. So here's the front. Here's the side. Here's the back. Here's the other side. Here is the bottom. Look at those studs. Look at that. The rivets. I mean, look at that. Look at that. The rivets. I don't know if it fits me. Yeah, it's not going to fit me. Oh, I don't know. Maybe. It's definitely an armpit bag in an emergency if I needed to. This would definitely be a crook of the arm carry or top handle carry. This would be a brunch bag, quick outing bag, that kind of thing. I wanted you to see the sides. See right here, they are a little rough and worn, but it has the branding right there, just MK, and I have it on both sides is what they look like in both sides. Then also on the back right here, it says Michael Kors right there. The color has patinaed so beautifully on this bag. Such a beautiful, beautiful bag. No back pocket, snap closure with the flap. And here's what it looks like on the inside. So although that it's a little rough on the outside, he did clean up this bag, so it was in much better condition than when he first got it. And let's see, it does have a key keeper. And see, so she's not in perfect condition. She was a worn bag, but definitely a bag worth rescuing. And I am definitely happy that he rescued it, and I was able to rescue it from his site. It has a zipper pocket here. Let's see, will my cell phone fit in the zipper pocket? Ah, it does fit in the cell phone pocket. There's no back pocket, so it fitting in here is a plus. And of course, the cell phone fits in the body of the bag. There, plenty of room in the body of the bag. Love that. So I just thought that this was definitely a bag that could get some love in my collection. When we go on vacations, or when we go out to the baseball fields, or just somewhere where I need a bag that I don't want to worry too much about it, this would come in handy for that. Definitely come in clutch because it's kind of like a little clutch bag. I know, waka waka, I'm horrible. Alrighty, there we go. Michael Kors bag. Hope y'all enjoyed it. See you on the outro. All righty, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming back. Hopefully you stay till the end and you can do our wrap up. We do have our miscellaneous must. We have day 2 of our advent calendar unboxing. This is a Build-A-Bear unboxing, and we're going to be on day 2. So that's this right here. If I'm curious to see how this is going to work. Day 2. Obviously, this is the accessories, but oh, it's a little shirt. And what else? Oh, it's just a shirt. Okay, so I get it. Okay, so this little shirt does go. Here's the little guy that it goes to. So let's dress him. So he gets shirts but no pants. He has to wait a few days or for that to happen. Okay, I thought it was a whole one piece, but no. They're really stretching this out. But you know what? It was worth the money. I think it was worth the money. I don't know if I think I got it on sale. I think I got it on sale. And I'll try to keep it pinned in the comment box, in the description box for y'all. So now he has a shirt. We got the first day we got him. Now he has a shirt and he still needs all of these other accessories. Okay. We'll put him back in there. There we go. All right, Bean Beauties, let me know how you like that Michael Kors bag. Wasn't it a beautiful bag? The patina on that leather was just scrumptious. I don't know what the name of the bag is called. If you know the name of the bag, I think I put something up on the screen during editing. But please, if you know the name of the bag, go ahead and let me know. Uh, I don't know why sometimes these brands just give it a good name. Just pick a name so we can distinguish. But it's just a shoulder bag. Is all that I popped up with a shoulder bag. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for being here with me. I greatly appreciate you following me this long through this craziness. I tell you, it's chaos. It's chaos. But I appreciate every view, every like, every hype, every subscriber, every viewer. I love all of that you have done for me. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. All right, Bean Beauties, we will see you on the next one. Love you. Bye bye.